Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I was able to update a second powder room in my house. Stay tuned for the end result and let's go ahead and get started. I am following the same exact step from the very first powder room makeover. The only exception, as you can see, is this beautiful pink color. Instead of the green from before, we are going with burgundy. Good thing those two powder rooms are on two different floor levels. I really wanted to be able to bring such a dramatic style into my bathrooms because all over my house is just black and neutral colors, so adding those colors in the bathroom give us that wow effect. So as you can see, I originally started by prepping my walls. I proceeded to paint. It took me a few hours to actually get all the walls painted. This time I did not make the mistake of leaving any blank walls, so I painted all 4 walls as well as the ceiling. Another mistake that I made last time and I wanted to not make this time around was to keep the mirror. So just as I was prepping the wall, I went on and removed the builder grade mirror. This whole project was so therapeutic. I was able to take my time and just color drench my powder room. I am not a professional painter, so I just simply did what worked for me and just enjoyed the process. I let the space dry for like a few days just to be sure that my walls were ready. Next, I proceeded to remove the builder grade light fixture, add a new mirror, and also decorate like I did for the very first project. If you are wondering what project is she referring to, well, what I will do is add the link to that video up on the corner right so you can check it out. At last, I just added the few items that I had already purchased and decorated the powder room to just tie in everything together. If you guys have already had the chance to watch both of the powder room makeovers, I want you to tell me which one was your favorite in a comment down below. Powder room number 1 with the green walls or powder room number 2 with the burgundy walls. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.